Hi everyone, welcome back. Well, today we're going to see an interesting air fryer recipe that's not just quick and easy to make but delicious too, and it's Tandoori Paneer Tikka infused with a smoky flavor that turns out so very flavorful and amazing to taste. So let's see how to make this quick and easy paneer starter recipe, which is great to serve in any parties or special occasions. And here in this bowl I've taken some paneer or cottage cheese cut into slightly bigger cubes like this. Then you'll also need some onion cut into chunks of medium portions like this, as well as red, green and yellow bell peppers cut into this shape and size. And now we shall prepare our tandoori batter. For that we'll take a bowl and into it goes 2 tablespoons of thick curd or dahi. Then goes a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. For seasoning, we'll add some salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander or dhania powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper or kali mirch. Then goes a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder for that bright color, half teaspoon of my homemade garam masala powder, and half teaspoon of chaat masala powder. For binding, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of roasted besan or gram flour. Then goes some crushed Kasoori Methi leaves, which will give a nice flavor. Also, I'm going to add the juice of half a lime. And finally, into this, we will add 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. We will now mix all the ingredients well until they are well combined. And friends, with this batter, you can make fish tikkas, chicken tikkas also. So our batter is ready and this should be the consistency, slightly thick so that it coats well with the paneer cubes and the veggies. And now into this batter we will add the paneer cubes, bell pepper and onion chunks. And now very gently we need to coat the paneer cubes and the onion and bell pepper chunks with the tandoori batter. So coating is done, and now to give a restaurant-like smoky flavor to our paneer tikka, we'll place a small steel bowl in the middle of the bowl and into it we will add a burnt charcoal. Next we will drizzle little oil on top of the burnt charcoal and immediately cover this with a tight lid. And now we need to marinate the paneer and veggies for at least half an hour so that they are well infused with the smoky flavor along with the tandoori marination batter. After about half an hour, we'll remove the lid and you'll get a lovely smoky aroma. I'll now take out the steel bowl containing the charcoal, and now time to arrange the paneer and the veggies in skewers. So I'm using this kind of wooden skewers which has been dipped in water for 20 minutes so that they don't get burnt in the air fryer. And now let's start arranging our paneer tikkas. First goes a paneer cube followed by onion chunks and bell peppers. And the same process we will repeat. So you can see in one skewer I will arrange 3 paneer cubes followed by onion chunks and bell peppers of different colors in their order. And in the same way we will arrange the remaining skewers also, and in the meantime we will preheat the air fryer for 5 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. So I have arranged the paneer tikkas in skewers and now time to air fryer them. For that we will grease the air fryer basket with some oil so that the paneer tikkas don't stick to the basket. Also you can line the air fryer basket with parchment paper or baking paper. And now one by one we will place the skewers, leaving some gap in between. Now let's put the basket in the preheated air fryer and we will cook the paneer tikkas for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. It's 10 minutes now. Let's check our paneer tikkas. They are cooked well and are smelling too good right now. So let's serve them hot right away. And friends, here goes our healthy and delicious air fryer paneer tikkas infused with a smoky flavor that turns out so very amazing. And these paneer tikkas are best to be enjoyed with a spicy and flavorful mint coriander chutney. So friends, I hope you will try this healthy, quick and easy paneer starter recipe. Also, you can check out my other air fryer recipes. We'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and happy cooking everyone.